The Nebraska Broadband Initiative promotes and adopts the utilization of broadband in Nebraska. The initiative has worked with businesses and organizations to develop a clear picture of broadband usage in Nebraska today and to identify paths for the future.
One of the most rewarding experiences of this job has been to go to these small communities and to see how they are looking ahead and looking to provide jobs and quality places to live for their communities. And one of those opportunities is in healthcare, because Nebraska has a tremendous amount of critical access hospitals that is a vital part of so many of these small communities. But their challenge is to be connected to the rest of the world.
Broadband is an important aspect of life in Nebraska today. Broadband provides high-speed access to applications such as the internet. Broadband services is available to nearly all Nebraskans, with 99.5% of Nebraskans having access to service, with download speeds greater than 10 megabits per second. Nebraska ties for 12th on this measure.
I'd like to see improvements such as increased speed or increased availability in rural areas. I think that's a couple of big points that I'd like to see hit on.
You know, part of my job with economic development is to be a visionary, look to the future of what we can do for our community to grow and expand. Who's coming up? What are the generations, the millennials coming up? What are they looking for, and what are their demands?
We find ourselves in the enviable position right now of having here in Ogallala the quickest and best connectivity of anywhere.
Mobile connections are becoming increasingly important to residents and businesses, with over 80% of Nebraska businesses currently using smart devices.
We try and go as paperless as possible. And so by using broadband services, we're able to accomplish that. We use a lot of different things online. We're able to take inventory by using our smartphones and scanning the product, and we store that online. We store a lot of our data online. We're able to share our work schedules and documents online, so employees can access them from personal computers or work computers, and also from tablets and smartphones.
Household usage. 82% of households in Nebraska have broadband service. However, there are significant differences between rural and urban subscription rates. Rates are as high as 90% in Lincoln and 87% in Omaha, compared to 72% and 77% in other regions of the state.
Usually, if I don't know something, I will go to the internet. It's my first resource.
I use internet access for, like everyone, social media, but also I use it to run both of my companies. I buy and sell equipment, trade with vehicles, and talk with other dealers among the state and the Midwest.
The Broadband Technology Opportunity Program, which is the official name of the BTOP grant, enabled us to achieve things that we never, ever would have achieved otherwise. A library isn't just a home for books.
Nebraska businesses are utilizing broadband access to the internet to expand their markets and reduce costs. More importantly, these businesses are creating jobs and increasing revenue through the use of broadband. A 2013 survey of Nebraska businesses found that broadband is having a positive impact on jobs, with 364 respondents reporting a net increase of 654 jobs due to broadband.
My name is Ryan Eichhoff. We're here at Comfy Feet in Hardington, Nebraska. We specialize in licensed slippers. We mainly distribute around the United States, but we also have gotten into Canada, the United Kingdom. Here at Comfy Feet, we use broadband mainly to process orders.
Internet applications relying on broadband networks are becoming increasingly important for agriculture producers.
Without broadband, we might as well send the guys home. We can't do anything without it because our entire business runs through it and our customers expect those services. So some of the limitations we face when the internet speed is slow, our employees get frustrated because things don't work right. Our customers get frustrated because they're spending more time waiting for something to get done. I think for us, technology has really enabled us to reach some of those younger farmers who maybe moved away or coming back or maybe went to college, and They like the technology.
Everyday agriculture is becoming more dependent on internet access, whether it's through GPS technology, through farming, or keeping record books of cattle online. Every aspect of it is becoming more important every day.
Priority areas moving forward. 4 priority areas of the state broadband framework were identified by 9 regional groups in Nebraska working to develop regional broadband plans. These priority areas are economic development, agriculture, digital literacy and public access, broadband availability and affordability. As its technology usage impacts future plans, it is the continuing commitment and vision of businesses and individuals to bring the possibilities into the lives of Nebraskans.